Alright, I started building already. So the previous video we made comparison with Archiso 49 and then compared it with Carli 9 and we got an error. And the only thing I did, it's not much, I cleaned everything up. And where is that? So here the cleanup version 1, that's the one I did. So it's just a script here that says get rid of everything that's there, in the sense of start with a clean slate. Remove the out folder, remove the work folder, and then it just kicks in and it just works. It's going to be called Carli 2012 11 16, so that's the date. And for the rest, Carli Linux Live Rescue System, and so on and so on. And he's building it, he's making it. So there's no need to change anything right now to our building scripts. You can have a look at the Carli, at the ArcoLinux building script. That's already changed to the future necessities, the future idea that this particular thing is not needed anymore, and we should run make Archiso straight away. And that's the way they want us to build ISOs. But for now, all is cool. This build script is actually doing pretty much the same, in the sense that it's going to run make Archiso. So we'll have an Carli soon. Let's have a look. So these are questions people give also on ArcoLinux, right? Some of these messages are normal since we are running in Shroot. They are not getting the right responses, and these applications give us a message which we can safely ignore. This one we need to figure out. This is not normal, installing Carli keyring. That's not normal. Well, it's our own thing, so we're in control of our own packages. And all the rest are packages from somewhere else, right? Lots of them is just ArchLinux. The only thing that's from us that we've built for Carli is this. We have a Calamares installer, we have a Calamares configuration, we have a Carli keyring, which we should look into. We have a Carli system installation. We have the package for the letters if you're going to choose the keyboards in Calamares. That's it. A package for the OpenSwap, make init CPIO, and Yabin to have something to help us with AUR installations. And that's it basically, so it's not much. But the keyring, that should be checked. And here we are again. Okay, keyrings. And we're building the ISO. By the way, this is Ctrl-Shift-1 and Ctrl-Shift-2. Ctrl-Shift-3, Ctrl-Shift-2, Ctrl-Shift-1. Thunar, right? And if you're coming from somewhere else, our Thunar is packed with custom actions, workflow thing. For instance, if you want to see Carli 9, what did we put in here? So the GitHub, any GitHub can be analyzed like this. So from A to 9, that's a typo, we forgot to do that. Modconf is new, this line is new. You can quickly navigate through all the changes that we're going to post online. So this one is gone. Well, not gone, this is the new reference. This was one level up, remember? So all the changes can be just, well, checked again up here, some lines. It's easy. Right mouse click. Oh, we're done. Cool. So I guess we should launch it. Super F7, you know the drill. For Carli XFC, it seems. Let's remove you guys and have an ArcoLinux here, remove you as well. Still have a Carli 9, so that's cool. And let's get our own ISO. So it says home Eric Arco Carli Carli 9 out. That's the date. That's correct. It's the hour. Let's check the hour. 2 o'clock, 6 minutes. That's my ISO. Because sometimes we have so many ISOs, right? And then you're mistakenly, you mistake yourself, make a mistake and run something else from previous test or something. So we have a new line here. Carli Linux install medium BIOS to speech. Not sure if it will do anything, but let's have some fun and try line number 2. I'm wondering I should, this is VirtualBox, right? So probably gonna think that we're gonna need something else. Real metal, not VirtualBox. We have an icon, that's Kate here, okay. All right, so we have an operating system. It's Plasma, a minimal one. It really is minimal. You see, it's not much that's in here, and it's just a package. I think the Plasma, you can have a look what it's called, Plasma Desktop, but it's so minimal. So it's up to you to decide whether you want more. Anyway, install system means start Calamares, run Calamares, but it might be time to build one again because I see a message and it's not coming, right? So Ctrl-T, that's working. What we do to analyze things, is first get my Azerty and then, for instance, Calamares -D, the D stands for debugging. Voila. So it's time for me to build again a new Calamares for it to work. It needs a particular library, and you can have a look and probably go for the library and then understand, oh, it's pointing to something that does not exist anymore because of updates, right? If updates happen, you should update your Calamares. So just gonna try to see if I can find it somewhere. lib kpm core. There we have a reference. So kpm core, but lib it's not gonna be here. If I can't find it, that's okay too. But somewhere there will be a reference in here. I don't know, Catfish is not installed to have a look at it. Maybe we can have, do we have PAMAC? I'm not sure. PAMAC is not installed, so updates discover. But somewhere in here is going to be a file for kpm core. So not here. And the library anyway, the reference to the library is wrong and everything halts, won't start. kpm core, give it some few seconds, indulge me, but you'll find it if you are following the tutorial and try it again. You'll find it, it's gonna be somewhere. But I would not look at here in the user share. I would try to find it in libraries, but okay, enough time wasted. So the point is, all right, get down to kpm to create a new Calamares. And while we're at it, why not get the new one, right? There is already a new version out. So Carli 9, cool. Should we end the video? Maybe not a bad thing to end the video and then say next one is going to be how to build Calamares, the latest version of it. All right.